Imagine you are walking down the street on a sunny afternoon. Everything seems peaceful. But suddenly, in the blink of an eye, the Earth stops spinning. Just for 5 seconds. It doesn't sound like a long time, right? But here's the terrifying truth. It would be the most disastrous 5 seconds in human history. You see, at the equator, the Earth is spinning at about 1,000 miles per hour, 1,600 kilometers h. If the planet suddenly slams on the brakes, everything else keeps moving due to inertia. Think of it like a car crash. If you are in a car traveling at 1,000 miles per hour and it hits a wall, you fly forward. The Earth stops, but the atmosphere doesn't. The air would continue to move at supersonic speeds. Immediate winds, faster than the strongest atomic blast, would scour the surface of the planet. These winds would instantly flatten forests, demolish skyscrapers, and wipe out anything not anchored to the bedrock. Even sturdy concrete bunkers wouldn't be safe from the sheer force of this atmospheric friction. It gets worse. It's not just the wind. The momentum would cause the Earth's crust to tear apart. Massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions would trigger simultaneously across the globe. And let's not forget the oceans. The water would follow the same law of inertia. Kilometer-high tsunamis would crash eastward, swallowing entire continents within moments. If you were near the coast, you wouldn't even have time to blink. The Earth is not a perfect sphere. It bulges at the equator because of its spin. Without that spin, the oceans would rush toward the poles, reshaping the world map in seconds. And then, just as suddenly as it stopped, the Earth starts spinning again. The 5 seconds are over. But the world we knew is gone. The atmosphere would eventually calm down, but the surface would be unrecognizable. Most of humanity would have been wiped out by the winds, the impact, or the floods. The few survivors would find themselves on a planet that looks more like a barren wasteland than a home. 5 seconds. That's all it takes to turn our civilization into dust. So, the next time you feel like the world is moving too fast, just be thankful that it is moving at all. Because if it stops, even for a moment, it's game over. What other what-if scenarios should we explore? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing what-if.